Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this YEAKOO 3-tier side table. You can use this next to your bed. You can also use it in a living room. You can use it in a bathroom even to put next to the toilet. Lots of different uses for this side table, and it looks very elegant as well. It's got this retro wood finish, and as you can see, all the grains are in the same direction. Super easy to assemble, by the way. It comes with an Allen key, and they're all the same size screws. So you just want to go ahead and tighten those in each section. And as you can see, you've got numbered parts. It also comes with an instruction manual and very sturdy, nice metal here. Each shelf can hold 150 pounds. Put all kinds of things on there. Super elegant. For the price, it's really well worth it, and it just really enhances any room. Overall, highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.